everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are looking gorgeous today, so happy Monday. So today we've got a cute little review video and it's with one of my absolute faves. If you can see the title, it is of course with Bali Body. I've done a few review videos on my channel about them and every single one has been positive. They are just such an amazing brand. So basically, if you've been living under a rock and you don't know who Bali Body are, they are an Australian skincare brand. They have always been about sunshine, always been about summer, like focusing on tanning oils, moisturizers, BB creams, shimmering body oils. However, they then released their very first fake tan, which people are just going absolutely crazy about. Let's be honest, I have reviewed a lot of fake tan on this channel. I've even done a video on my favorite fake tans for kind of like different occasions. But if I was to be blatantly honest, if I had to pick a fake tan out of all of the tans that I have done and love, it would still be the Bali Body self-tanning mousse. The reason being, it's very natural in colour. There's no green when it goes in your hands, you know, which is actually quite frightening when I use tans. I always look for more kind of like a yellowy or like a red base, but when it goes quite green, it's just not very pleasant, is it? So yeah, I will go and link my review video I did was it last year? I think it might have been, or earlier this year, the review video I did for the fake tan in the description box below, so you can go and check that out. And yeah, I reviewed this baby and it is amazing. Mine has literally just run out, so for it to last like nearly half a year is pretty damn good. So yeah, you do get a lot for your money. And yeah, I mean, they are a vegan brand, they're cruelty free of course, and they've just got really lovely morals, like all natural ingredients, no alcohols or anything bad for the skin. They really kind of focus and put their attention on sensitive skin as well. So you know, they're just a really lovely brand and they've got so many followers on Instagram, got so many products online now to choose from. Like if you want anything shimmery or anything for your tan, or even like for winter now, you have got, you know, the fake tan to tie you over, and of course they then brought out the face tan water. So yeah, they kind of have you covered all year round, girl, and I absolutely love it. However, I will be reviewing today their newest addition to the Bali Body fake tan fam. It is the Bali Body Gradual Tan. I've been testing it out all week, so I will show you how I applied this. So basically, again, of course, everything is vegan. So basically, it's an everyday moisturizer with fake tan in it. Now, this is what I absolutely love, because no matter what like fake tans tell you, I mean, for me, I've got dry skin, so I have to moisturize every time I exfoliate my skin. So usually on fake tans, it says exfoliate your skin and then put the tan over it. And I'm not gonna lie, this is actually the only tan that does work for me with dry skin on exfoliated skin. In the review, I don't think I moisturized for this. I did follow the instructions because it has got natural oils in it, so it is moisturizing anyway. So yeah, it's not as drying as other fake tans can be. So yeah, but usually when I use any other fake tans, I always like moisturize just because my skin is dry, and when I exfoliate, oh my gosh, that's your skin at like its most vulnerable. So yeah, having a moisturizer in your fake tan is fantastic. So I've been testing it out all week and this is the color I am, and also it can be amazing for over a real tan as well, because I am naturally tanned at the moment. I have got, as you can see, little tan lines there, and it is so good for like if you have been on holiday and you want to prolong your tan. It's a very good kind of natural fake tan and it keeps moisturizing your skin, so it prolongs your real tan and it adds just a little bit more of a tan boost on top of your real tan, which is absolutely fantastic. So I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it and also show you how I applied it. So I've been testing it out all of last week and these are the results. So I'm literally such a lovely golden colour, and as you can see, I've still got my natural tan on there. And guys, I haven't exfoliated like since I started this process. So I think I started it right at the beginning of last week, and I just kept it going. I did what it says. It says you can use it every day. You can use it even like 2 to 3 times a week and you'll still get a great tan. So you use it after every shower. It has to go onto nice clean skins for the, you know, just best results. I'll quickly put a wee clip up here now of me using it. So this is me just applying it onto my chest. As you can see, like I actually think I put a bit too much on my hands, like for my chest, but it does really spread over lovely. Like it just feels so nice on the skin. It feels nice and thick, but then it dries really quickly. I really wasn't sure what to expect smell wise. It doesn't have a fake tan smell. It actually smells like cucumbers. It is so refreshing. So as you can see, I'm spreading it all over my arms, I then put a little bit more on each arm. I went to do the top of my back. I then got my mum in to do the rest of my back, and then I did the rest of my body. As you can see, I was applying it with my hands. You don't need to use a mitt because that will just absorb the product and you'll have to use more. Please use your hands, and don't worry about fake tan or getting dark hands at all. Just wash your hands afterwards, or even what I do is that I wash my hands with soap, and then I put some like cream on my, in fact I'll quickly show you. So what I do is I wash my hands after doing my body, wash my hands with soap, then dry them, then put a little on my hand like this. As you can see, it's white, and I then do this. I'm using the back of my hands just to pop it into my hands, and then that will give you the nice tanned hands. And then what you do is, if you are worried that you are going to get a little bit of a darker palm, I literally just kind of like put the water on. I then like put my hands in the sink and get a damp cloth and then just kind of rub off. And look, I've not got any fake tan on my hands at all. So yeah, it is just such a clean product as well. Of course, you don't realise like an instant effect because it is a gradual tan. So yeah, I didn't start seeing results until later on that day, because I did shower kind of around like 11 o'clock that day. And so yeah, I did start seeing results kind of towards the evening time. And then the next day I woke up, I had such a nice glow, and then I put it on. I then showered that day, like the next day afterwards, and I washed it off. I do like to keep fake tan on for like quite a long time before I wash it off. I've never really understood the kind of wash off fake tans. I always kind of like to keep it develop into my skin as long as possible. So yeah, I then showered the next day, so it was about like kind of evening time the next day. That was just over a day in between each kind of like layer I was putting on. And again, I did the same process, and then I could really start seeing a difference. Like, it's just so naturally built, and again, like, there's no fake tan smell, so you would never guess it's fake tan. And my skin felt so moisturized. I was really nervous because obviously I do trust Bali Body and their products have been amazing on me, but you never know, like, when trying a new product, and especially when it's moisturizer, because my skin is so sensitive, and also with my eczema as well. But it didn't affect my eczema at all. In fact, it even like moisturized it, because it's always like so dry on my arms. It really moisturized my eczema, so I didn't have a problem with it at all on my sensitive skin. And it says by the end of day 3 or like the 3rd application, you will then begin to get like a really nice deep fake tan color, and that's exactly what I got. And then when I showered, I then just kind of used their normal body lotion the day afterwards, because I had a really nice colored tan, and I was really happy with it. I also think it's fantastic of them to introduce this product just as the autumn season is starting as well, because everyone's been on holiday, everyone's tan is kind of fading, you really want to prolong it, and this is perfect for that without kind of putting all the thick instant tan layers on. And also, people aren't really into fake tan, people really are into just moisturizers. So if you do want a tinted moisturizer to give you a tan, this is the one to use, because there's so many like other brands out there who do tinted fake tans. They're very tango, they're very yellowy, kind of orange, but this is just a whole other level. Like, it's so natural looking, and you do want something like this like throughout the winter, colder seasons as well, because you need to moisturize when it's cold outside. Your skin will suffer, and this is so deeply moisturizing. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this little sit down review video. I just really wanted to talk to you about their latest product to the fake tan fam, the Bali Body fam. Really hope you love their products as much as I do. Everything down below is in the description box that you need. Their site, go and check out the reviews, go check out like the photos that people post like online. Even if you like hashtag Bali Body or something, or Bali Body results, you will see so many different like reviews about them, and it's always so positive. And like I said, when I get back from a holiday, this is going to be the number that's going to be prolonging that tan I get on holiday, and I cannot wait. I've got a new video going up tomorrow, and it will be all about my beauty essentials, kind of packing with me my makeup bag, what I'll be taking on holiday with me, kind of makeup, beauty wise, skincare. And yeah, so I really hope you enjoy that video tomorrow. Make sure that you are subscribed if you're new here. Thanks so much for watching this video. You can hit that notification button as well. I would really appreciate it so you are updated with everything that I post. Please go and follow my Instagram, it's ANNIEMADGett, as well as on here, and because I'll keep you guys up to date every day while I'm on holiday this week. And yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please go and check out Bali Body, because like I said, I love them. This is such an amazing product. It will literally keep you going all year round if you're really not into fake tan but you love your skincare and your moisturization. If you are vegan and you do struggle getting cruelty-free brands, because unfortunately there are so many brands out there who still aren't cruelty-free and test on animals, so this brand is such an amazing brand to support. And yeah, they got great morals and they got great results. Give this video a big thumbs up if you love Bali Body products. products, and of course thank you so much to Bali Body for sponsoring this video. Like I said, lovelies, I'll catch you guys tomorrow in my next video, and I hope you have a lovely Monday evening. I'm just getting back into Snapchat again, so everything is ANNIEMADGett, and on Twitter as well, so please go and support me on there. And like I said, I'll catch you guys tomorrow in my next video. Love you lots. See you later. Bye.